Welcome to our YouTube channel, Healthy Food. Today, we're excited to share with you 3 amazing foods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can support your weight loss journey. Are you ready to learn about the weight loss trio? Let's dive in. Food number 1, leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce are nutritional powerhouses that are low in calories, but high in fiber. They can help you feel full and satisfied without packing on extra calories, making them a great addition to any weight loss plan. Plus, they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall health and well-being. Food number 2, lean protein sources. Lean protein sources such as chicken breast, fish, tofu, beans, or lentils are excellent choices for weight loss. Protein is known to boost metabolism, increase satiety, and support muscle building, which can aid in weight loss efforts. Incorporating lean protein into your meals and snacks can help you feel fuller for longer and prevent overeating. Food number 3, whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, or whole wheat bread are nutrient-dense options that can support weight loss. They are rich in fiber, complex carbohydrates, and other essential nutrients that can help regulate blood sugar levels, promote satiety, and support a healthy gut. Choosing whole grains over refined grains can help you feel more satisfied and energized throughout the day. How to incorporate these foods into your diet? Now that you know about the weight loss trio, let's discuss how you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Here are some ideas. Start your day with a spinach and mushroom omelette for a protein-packed breakfast. Whip up a delicious grilled chicken or fish salad with lots of leafy greens for a satisfying lunch. Snack on roasted chickpeas or edamame for a protein-rich and fiber-filled afternoon snack. Substitute refined grains with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice in your favorite stir-fry or grain bowl. Make a hearty lentil and vegetable stew for a comforting and weight loss-friendly dinner option. Conclusion: incorporating these 3 amazing foods, leafy greens, lean protein sources, and whole grains, into your diet can help you achieve your weight loss goals in a delicious and nutritious way. Remember to pair them with a balanced and healthy eating plan, regular physical activity, and adequate hydration for best results. We hope you found this information helpful in your weight loss journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food tips. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: always consult with a qualified healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Individual results may vary.